Good morning WRCC fans, welcome back. It's been a while. It's me, Dan, for a walk around on this autumnal morning, even though we're in mid-November, so is that winter? I don't know. So here we are. I'm sorry we haven't done a video for a while because the weather's been absolutely appalling. We've got lots of cars to get through, so they should be coming thick and fast, weather permitting. This morning it is a 1966 train going past. It's a 1966 black, which is my favourite colour. Two-door saloon, only 4 previous keepers. Really nice, well patinaed, and I hate that word. Everybody sort of knows I do because I always say that, but it's the best way to describe this. Really stand out, nice quality car. However, the paint's not perfect, the interior's not perfect, but they're nice. So don't get me wrong, when I say not perfect, that doesn't mean rough, that doesn't mean not nice. It just means it's perfection, pretty much like me, to be honest with you. Really nice car to drive, nice and smooth. It's been up the bumpy road, and the suspension's really nice and smooth. The engine's nice and powerful. Nice clean transmission, and the brakes work as they should do. I mean, if you look at that now in the autumn sunshine, lovely shine to the paint. These are imperfection here and there. There's a bit of crazing on the bonnet, which is usually down to the age of the paint. As you can see, doesn't stand out a great deal, but just to make you aware that it is there. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors. It's all nice and clean. As you can hear, runs well. Nice shine of the paint on the boot lid. No bubbling or frilliness. Wings are all in good order. No nastiness to report anywhere, really. Really nice clean interior. We've kept what we could in place. Nice glove box liners. Seat covers are all nice and clean in Cherokee red. Door cards all good, and the headliner's original, which is nice and clean. No rips or anything in it. Patinaed. There we go again, to perfection. The original garage sticker there, from when it came from the dealer in its first place. It's showing 75,917 miles. So just to show you that, 75,917. Really nice, tidy car. I like this one. Black's one of my favourite colours for Morris Miners. Like I said before, I don't know what it says about me. I must be a bit dull. But I think they look absolutely superb. I think it complements the age of the car well. Nice clean engine bay. No nastiness in there, no rot or no nastiness, for want of a better description, to report. I say the engine ticks over nicely. Good bulkhead, good inner wings, good boot floor, or engine bay floor should I say. The reason I said the bumpy road, the famous bumpy road, is it's gonna be, we're on a limited number of videos now taken on the bumpy road, because WRCC are moving home, our home of 12 years. We're getting a bigger, better premises, so there'll be more stock in. The showroom's going to be bigger, the workshop area is going to be bigger. Everything's going to be a little bit bigger, a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, and a little bit newer, obviously, apart from the cars. So definitely you guys come up and see us in Halifax. We're still at our original premises in Ludden Foot for the next few weeks, but then we're going to be moving to Sowerby Bridge. And this is an open invitation. We'll probably have an opening event for all our past customers and Morris Minor enthusiasts, and even just classic car enthusiasts. So we'll post it on social media, and we'll have a little bit of an opening event on a Saturday and put some catering on and have a bit of a mini car meeting for everyone. Anyway, back to the car. Nice, clean, 1966. There's no modifications on it. Nice and clean and solid underneath. We've put new carpet in it, new wheels, new tyres on it. Just gone round it, scraped it, checked it underneath structurally, and it's all okay, and then it's been coated up, so it's just a bit of a service, bit of an MOT, and then it's ready for a new home. It's on at 9,250. With that you get 6-month warranty, 6-month breakdown cover, all the usual WRCC benefits. If you're interested, give us a call on 01422 881221. That's for Dan in sales, that's me. Inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk for email inquiries, and obviously it'll be on www.westridingclassics.co.uk and our social media outputs. Cheers guys, be quick, it's a lovely car, it drives well, and look how good it looks in this sunshine. And there's another train. Goodbye.